Hello, I'm Dr. Niecikowski.
I'm Jackie.
And so we're continuing our series of games that focus on math skills, and this is Double Shutter. Now, this is one out of all the 10 back here that we're starting out with that is you may want to play with your family and friends.
Yes.
In fact, it came from over 300 years ago. It was played in pubs called Shut the Box, but this is Double Shutter, which is a variant. So your children are in 5th and 3rd grade. And even though they know their basic math facts, there's a variant here that you can play, which you can include subtraction and multiplication. But also, it's just good to learn, develop more math skills of that. When you roll a number, you can use different numbers to make that number. And I'll explain here in just a moment.
Okay.
So it's basically what's called part-whole relationships, where that if I roll an 8. The object, by the way, is to get down all these tiles and have the least points. So I can knock down the 8. I can do a 6 and a 2. Okay. By the way, you can't access the back ones until you have these front ones down first. But I could also do 1, 2, and 5 to make 8. So the rule book does show you an example of this right here. Of if you do roll an 8, all the different ways you can make 8. And so why is it called Shut the Super Box? Because if you get them all down, you will get 2 points for that round. Now, Jackie will have a chance to also get them all down if I manage to do that, and then it would be a tie. All right. But let's say I get them all down except these 3. The ones in the front row are worth double, so that's worth 18 points, 19, and 27. So I would have 27 points. So then Jackie would have to try to beat that by getting lower than 27 points. So what are the variants that you can play with? Well, in the original version here, you're just basically rolling dice and trying to, and whatever that number you get, you can put down tiles that equal that number. The variant I've taught children is that you can do 6 minus 4, for instance, and put down the 2. Or do 4 times 6 and do 24, which allows them to put down a lot more tiles. Now, obviously, when you start getting into 6 times 6, you might not have any tiles where you can do that. But it gives them options if they want to do subtraction and multiplication if you want. So that's just a quick overview. Now we're just going to do a turn here real quick. Now you can agree on how many rounds you want to play. If someone wins the round, they get 1 point unless they shut the box, shut down all the tiles, they get 2 points. So you can say the first one to 5 points wins.
Okay.
You can do it that way. So here we go. I'm doing it on my camera here. Now, when we played this earlier, I did really horrible. So I can just do the 5, right?
Yeah.
But I could do 2 the 3, I could do the 1 and the 4. I'm just going to do the 5. And I have a 9. I'm going to do the 9 because, see, I don't want to have those high tiles. Now, I'm just adding these up. But again, I could do the 6 and the 3 if I want to make that 9. All right, so 12. So this is why you want to keep other things. I'm going to do the 5 and the 1 and the 6. 6 and 5. Now, I need to make 11. Okay. 5, 2 and 3. I want to get these down first. Now, this could be bad. I got lucky. If I would have rolled another 1, I would have been out.
Yeah.
If this would have been there, I could not have put down, and I would have gotten a lot of points. But that's what I got. So I don't know how far I'm going to get. I want to definitely do that because that's worth double in the front row. Okay, 1 and 4. I got lucky there.
Wow, you're doing good.
It is all strategy. So I cannot put down anything else. There's no 4. I can't even do a 1 and a 3. So that's 16. And the ones in the back are just their face value. So it's double, 16, 18, 24, 31, 40, 48. So Jackie has to beat 48 points, which she probably will. Now
You did really good this round.
Yes, we played it one time. We had an audio problem where I didn't have the audio on when I was recording. All right, so your turn.
Okay.
Yeah, the front ones are always best. Uh-oh. Oh, you can do it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, or you could have did the 3 and 7, which is that's fine too.
True. So 9,
Yeah.
5, these 2,
Ah, that's good then. Yeah.
12. I'm stuck.
Yeah. So I already know that you got more points.
I got
than me.
more
I
points.
had least.
Yeah.
So in that case, I would get 1 point for that round. And so if you were playing first to 5 points. Now let's say Jackie, again, just to review, because it's such a complicated game, right?
No.
If she got a ball down, she would have won that round, and she would have gotten 2 points instead of 1 if you would have shut.
If I would have
the top.
shut it off. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So out of the games we've played today, we haven't played all these yet. What do you think of this one?
I really like this one.
Okay.
Yeah, I really do.
And,
like this one.
and you would probably play this with your family and friends
Yes,
too, right?
yeah.
This is why people played it in the pubs.
Yeah.
Right? So there's different versions of Shut the Box. Now remember, these are still in print. I actually have a 4-sided Shut the Box version that focuses on multiplication,
Okay.
but it's not in print.
Oh, no.
So that's why I might we'll do those games later if they come back in print.
Okay.
But this is done by Blue Orange, and it's 1 to 6 players, but really, you could play with more if you really wanted to.
Yeah.
But then people might be twiddling their thumbs waiting.
No, I think it's kind of exciting to see what that other person got, and you
Right.
have to beat that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm David,
I'm Jackie.
and thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. Again, these are videos focusing on math skills. Until next time,
Bye. Thank
bye-bye.
you.